new video. This is tips. Okay, some Excel Vba tips. Okay, this is first tips is a comment. Okay, comment. This is some we are rating to comment. Any rating no problem. Code. Okay, this comment. This is remove comment. Now we are set to full comment. Okay, comment block. Okay, now full comment block. Okay, comment block. Now go uncomment uncomment block. Okay, now uncomment block here. This comment block, this uncomment block. This another tips is a bookmark, toggle bookmark. Okay, this bookmark 1, here bookmark 2, here bookmark 3. Now we have to go to bookmark zone. Easy. Okay, next bookmark here. Okay, bookmark next here. Okay, this bookmark are clear bookmark. Okay, and another okay, another tips is here. Go to this shift. Okay, tab. Okay, this is go to tab. Now to here shift tab. Okay, tab, shift tab. Okay, tab. Okay, this tab. Okay, this here. Add this comment. Take this. Okay. Okay, understand this tab. And another tips is code ratings symbol. Easy. Now code rating symbol. We're checking code. We are code here. List property. Okay. To label. Okay. Caption. Okay, this is a here. List property. Caption. And okay. Label. Okay, understand? Now this all worked. Okay. Here. Complete worked. For command button C O. Okay, command button click. Okay, here complete work. Okay, complete CTR space. Okay, CTR space complete work. Command click. Okay, this tips. Understand? Okay, this is now note this edit tick button. Menu come edit tick. Okay, this understand this one arrow. This here toggle. Okay. Okay, now easy. Smart toggle. Okay, this is like this was video. and please subscribe and any comment and like and share to your friends. Thank you for watching my video. This video is wind up.